Our top story tonight, there are many organizations students at Troy can be a part of. However, there is one club some students may not know about. Belle Johnson takes us to the History Club open house.
Thursday night, the Department of History and Philosophy partnered with the Troy History Club to host an open house for students. The event allowed students, new and returning, to learn more about what is offered in the History Department and the History Club.
I joined History Club because I love history and I wanted to discuss it with like-minded peers. History is not something that a lot of people are necessarily interested in, and that's something we're trying to change, but it provides a space for those of us who are interested in the subject to discuss it with one another.
At the open house, students were able to meet current members of the club as well as professors in the History Department. They also were able to learn more about what the club has to offer.
We have a lot of different events, just history-related events. We do a lot of movie nights, some trivia. We do a lot of study sessions for upper-level history courses.
If you are interested in History Club, they announce meeting times on their Instagram at Troy History Club.
Drop by a meeting if you're at all interested. There's no time commitment or requirement. You can go to as many or as few meetings as you like.
Belle Johnson, Troy, TrojanVision News.
Now, History Club meets most Wednesdays at 5 p.m. Once again, they will announce if they will meet on their Instagram at Troy History Club.